Your amygdala, the alarm system, sounds the horn in 0.2 seconds. Adrenaline floods in. Cortisol follows. Your body preps for a tiger. Your prefrontal cortex, logic's boss, shuts down. You literally can't think straight. Your hearing stays online, but now every word feels like a punch. Your hippocampus pulls up past fights. You're reacting to history, not just now. Your vocal cords tighten. That's why your voice cracks or disappears. Heart rate spikes. Blood pressure jumps. Your body thinks it's in a firefight. Mirror neurons fire. You unconsciously copy their pose, even if it's hostile. Deep breath in? No. Deep breath out resets the prefrontal cortex. Try it. After 20 minutes, chemistry resets. You win arguments best when you wait.